Tucked away in the heart of Romania, amidst the fairy tale landscapes of Bucovina, a train whistles through time. This is the Bucovina Steam Train, an enchanting relic of the past that still chugs along, defying modernity. But this is no ordinary steam train. Hidden in its journey are secrets that few travelers know. Stay with us as we unveil the unknown facts about this incredible railway. History and legacy. The Bucovina Steam Train, also known as Mocănița Hutulca, is one of the last surviving narrow-gauge steam railways in Romania. Built in the late 19th century, it once formed part of a vast railway network designed to transport timber from the dense forests of the Carpathian Mountains. But here's a little-known fact. This train survived both world wars, carrying vital supplies through the remote regions of Bucovina. Its tunnels and bridges were crucial for military logistics, yet it remains almost untouched by war damage. A rare survivor in Europe's turbulent history. Unique engineering and technology. Unlike most steam trains still in operation, the Bucovina Steam Train runs on a 760mm narrow-gauge track, a unique feature that allows it to navigate steep inclines and tight mountain curves. And here's something even more fascinating. Its engine is over 100 years old, meticulously maintained by skilled railway engineers who use original tools and methods from the early 20th century. But did you know? The locomotive's original steam whistle is still in use and was specifically designed to mimic the sound of a Carpathian deer call, ensuring that wild animals stay away from the tracks. That's an incredible blend of nature and technology. The magical route. The train follows a spectacular route through the Câmpulung Moldovenesque region, passing through wooden villages that seem frozen in time. But there's something special about this journey. The train stops at hand-picked locations where passengers can experience age-old Bucovina traditions. At one of these stops, travelers can try vamos, a traditional shepherd's dish made of polenta and rich sheep's cheese. And in a peculiar tradition, the train's crew often invite passengers to shovel coal into the firebox, a rare opportunity to experience what it's like to operate a steam locomotive firsthand. Little-known legends and stories. There are many stories whispered along these tracks. One of the most intriguing legends is that of the vanishing passenger. Local railway workers claim that on misty mornings, a lone figure in early 20th century attire boards the train, only to disappear before reaching the final stop. Some say it's the spirit of an old railway worker who never abandoned his post, even in the afterlife. And here's something you probably didn't know. During the 1960s, this train was the secret meeting place for writers, poets, and intellectuals escaping communist censorship. Conversations held aboard the steam train helped shape some of Romania's most influential literary works. The future of the Bucovina steam train. Despite its age, the Bucovina Steam Train is still going strong. Thanks to passionate volunteers and local organizations, it continues to delight visitors and preserve Romania's railway heritage. But here's a final unknown fact. This train is one of the last working steam locomotives in Europe that runs on a daily schedule, not just for tourism, but as a part of the local culture and identity. It was nearly abandoned in the 2000s despite its historical significance. The Bucovina Steam Train was almost shut down in the early 2000s. With the decline of industrial steam trains in Romania, maintaining the locomotive became financially difficult. However, local railway enthusiasts and historians fought to restore it, turning it into a heritage railway instead of letting it fall into disrepair. Its original purpose was not just for logging. While most people assume the Bucovina Steam Train was built solely for transporting timber, it also played a key role in carrying salt from nearby mines. The narrow gauge tracks allowed it to transport goods from remote areas that standard trains couldn't reach. It uses a unique type of locomotive built in Poland. The steam locomotive currently in use was manufactured in Poland during the early 20th century. Unlike some other narrow-gauge steam trains, it features a specially reinforced boiler, allowing it to withstand extreme cold temperatures in the Bucovina region. It was a smuggler's route during wartime. During World War II, locals used the train to smuggle food, supplies, and even people across restricted areas. The dense forests surrounding the railway provided perfect cover for these secret operations, making the Bucovina Steam Train an unsung hero of resistance efforts. There's a hidden carriage that was used as a mobile tavern. Old railway records suggest that in the mid-20th century, one of the train's carriages was converted into a mobile tavern where locals could enjoy a drink while traveling between villages. The idea was abandoned after authorities cracked down on unregulated alcohol sales, but remnants of the modified carriage still exist in storage. Its tracks were originally laid by Austrian engineers. Although the train now operates in Romania, its narrow-gauge railway was initially planned and built under the Austro-Hungarian Empire. This explains why some of the early engineering designs resemble those found in Austrian and German railways. A movie was once secretly filmed on the train. A lesser-known fact is that a Soviet-era film crew once used the Bucovina Steam Train for an underground film project during the late 1950s. Because the film had themes critical of the communist regime, it was never officially released, but some lost footage still exists in private collections. It has a mysterious ghost tunnel that was never completed near one of its stops. There's an abandoned railway tunnel that was never finished. Local legends say the tunnel was cursed because workers mysteriously disappeared during its construction. While the truth is likely less supernatural, the eerie, half-built tunnel remains a forgotten part of the train's history. The Bucovina Steam Train is more than just a journey. It's a living time capsule, carrying echoes of the past into the present. Whether you're a railway enthusiast, a history lover, or just someone seeking a magical experience, this train offers an unforgettable ride. If you enjoyed this video, make sure to like, subscribe, and share for more incredible train journeys from around the world. Until next time, keep exploring, and keep